it's time for the reveal of the white box.
What could it be?
I don't know.
It's a shower!
What?
Wow! We built this fantastic waterproof white box so that we could bathe ourselves and go to the bathroom all in one.
Mm-hmm.
And it also turned out to be the cat's watering hole, because otherwise the water goes everywhere in the van.
Can you give me a tour of this shower?
Yeah, sure. So it's a box, and basically you go in it kind of like this, except without the toilet. And then you close the door, and then you turn the water on, and you shower.
Wow, that's almost like a house.
Almost. Not quite.
What's the difference?
You gotta move a bunch of stuff out of the way before you wet your body. Mm-hmm. This is how we change to shower mode. Ta-da! This is the major obstacle to taking a shower, but it's really not that bad. Oh god.
Super easy. You're gonna spill like a gallon of urine in this video.
Okay, it's not that bad. Just remember to do proper lifting form. Yeah.
I'm showering with my shoes on.
What? That's crazy. How tall are you?
I'm 6'1" and I can still stand up straight in here.
That's a tall shower.
I have to duck to get the hair, but it's okay.
Squat.
I can do it.
That's it.
This is our water maker right here. The Grohe isotherm. You take in hot water here and cold water on the right, and it does the mixing in this unit instead of a thing behind. You control the pressure on the left and the temperature on the right. It is very convenient. You almost done there, sweetie? What do you need more? Top? You need more bottom? What do you need? Sorry to be up in your business here, but
We wanted to assure you that we do indeed have a towel bar and a toilet paper holder. The people want the facts.
people need the facts.
The people want the facts about our white box.
Yeah, these days they're devoid of facts. Can you tell us some facts about our white box?
So this is our white box. It's all white because we're not creative. And we shower in it. We also go to the bathroom in it.
Excuse me, are you doing what I think you're doing?
Yeah, I'm just sitting here.
Oh, sweet, nice.
Yeah, just sitting here on our toilet in our shower.
Oh, wow, what a great setup you got there.
Yeah, it's nature's miracle.
Nature's head. It's nature's head, miracle. You're the miracle.
So it's a bit windy and we're out in the desert hiding from coronavirus. And I thought I would show you how our composting toilet is vented to the outside. Our toilet is in here in the shower, and there's a lovely fan in there that blows all smells out through this tube, which goes through this wall. Oop, I got stuck. And comes out the other side there. And then we routed it in back and into the floor here. And the reason that we had it go so far is because our gray water tank is directly beneath it otherwise, so we had to go this far forward. And then it comes out the other side, so no bad smells in here. Vent back on. And then this is for the fan. Goes in right there. And then this one will be for the cat's water fountain. And that's all, folks. Oh, the toilet paper. So it's a bit of a process to take a shower. You have to move things. And that's really the only part of the van where we have to like convert one thing into another. And I would say like, I'm really glad that we minimized conversion stuff in our van, because I'd say I'm annoyed when I want to take a shower and I have to move all this stuff, but it takes less than 2 minutes. It's more just that you're moving stuff in a cramped space, especially the toilet. This is how we water our garden. Wow, what a nice garden out there.
Yes. We have planted
Got a lot of succulents.
some prickly pear, I think, and some little purple things. And get some,
And a nice view too.
it's a dandelion.